Today we are going to discuss about a research paper which is titled as Applications of Soft Sets in Decision Making Problems. We will discuss here about vaccine of COVID-19. Okay, first of all we see abstract of this paper. So in abstract, the process of selecting the best option from available sources is called decision making. Coronavirus disease 2019, we can write it as COVID-19, has become serious health emergency in the world. Nearly all the countries of the world are infected by this in some ways. In this article, we will use concept of soft set theory in decision-making problems for selection of COVID-19 vaccine. Many countries are working on the COVID-19 vaccine. Some of them are on trial. Some countries are applying these vaccines to their people. The main problem after preparation of vaccine will be how to distribute it and what factors should keep in mind. Here we will apply concept of soft sets to decide the best vaccine. We will use data February 1, 2020 to November 30, 2020 with different angles. Till this time there is cases are reported 72 million nearly 72 million cases are reported globally, and 1.6 million deaths are reported. It will be astonishing that COVID-19 started with 1% fatality rate and has reached nearly 2.5%. This is data only reported by countries. There are number of people which are hesitant to show their infections and are not included here in this data. So this is abstract of this paper. So keywords we are using in this paper are COVID-19 soft set, fuzzy soft set and COVID-19 vaccine. So after this we will start with introduction. Okay, introduction. In our life we are faced many problems and there are many methods to resolve these problems, but there are uncertainties. To resolve this kind of problems, to make uncertainty less, the concept of soft set was proposed. First time Molsev introduced the concept of soft set in 1999 and introduced the further result and proposed theory related to this new concept. Soft set can be defined as the collection in which those descriptions of objects are arranged which are approximate. This model of soft set was very accurate to handle the problems in which there were uncertainties. This is an easy method because in this method we can different things as parameterization such as sentences, different kind of numbers, different kind of symbols. We can also use in parameterization different kinds of functions and mappings. If we are dealing with different kinds of crises such as COVID-19, we can take data of different countries by taking countries as a parameter. Now, the application of soft set theory in different fields of science are giving rise and vital. Maggi et al. Introduced different kinds of concepts like concept of union, intersection, soft set, soft superset, and different kinds of operation in this field in 2033. Pai and Miao reduced short set in an intersection of short sets in 2005. Ali et al. Improved the work of Maggi et al. And introduced the concept of extended intersection, restricted differences, restricted union, and restricted intersection in 2009. Kagman and Ngionglo elaborated the work on soft sets and developed the idea of soft matrix theory, and then make use of this soft matrix theory to solve the problems related to decision making in 2010. Babita and Sunil introduced soft set relation, and they also introduced the concept of anti-symmetric relation. Yang and Go contributed by adding the concept of anti-symmetric layer of a soft set relation and proved some result relating these concepts in 2011. G and Yang in 2011 and Fauci in 2011 gave modification in the work of Maggi et al. And give some results. Sezgin and Atagan introduced the concept of symmetric difference of soft set and find its properties and investigated them with the examples in 2011. Singh and Oniozili proved in 2012 that in the case of soft sets and soft matrices, operations defined on matrices and soft sets are equivalent. Singh and Oniozili obtained some result of soft sets operations on distributive and absorption properties in 2012. There are many countries trying to prepare effective vaccine to kill COVID-19 infection. Many of them are ready to use their vaccine, but there is no vaccine which is recommended globally. There are different countries like Russia announced in August his vaccine efficiency and started using this vaccine at a large scale. According to the World Health Organization, there are 5 vaccines ready to use, but there is way to find for final decision. There are different types of questions as how many people have been vaccinated worldwide, is a smoker is on high risk of COVID-19 or not, do you need COVID-19 vaccine if you had COVID-19. Motivation. Decision making makes to choose best alternative from the available resources. Decision making is an important tool to select best. In this paper we will use this well-known tool to have a selection of best available vaccine for COVID-19. A fuzzy logic assembles multiple attributes in a single set with the same dimensions. These values lie between a unit interval 0, 1. As there is very short time to decide what best and available or not, we will use the concept of sort sets using different kinds of parameters to select a vaccine which is most beneficial and fulfill all the conditions, like whether to answer some different types of questions as how we will select the vaccine, how cost we will pay, and what are side effects of vaccine. Basis of COVID-19. COVID-19 has become biggest threat to the population of the world. On January 30, 2020, COVID-19 had announced as a PHEIC, abbreviation of Public Health Emergency of International Concern by the World Health Organization WHO, and as it was predicted, a normal kind of the viral disease, but there is with the passing of time, condition of this virus had become worse. When this worse condition, World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as pandemic on March 11, 2020. Till today, the spread of COVID-19 is rising, and there are different patterns of this virus. Some countries are facing different waves of the COVID-19. On the other hand, there are also some countries with zero death rates, and some countries are trying to use vaccine even it is not recommended yet at the level of World Health Organization. Coronavirus may cause the disease related to the respiratory system may cause death. COVID-19 emerged as the first case was reported in Wuhan, China December 31, 2020. COVID-19 is studied in detail. History of the coronavirus is not new. This is an old type of the virus. This can cause deadly respiratory disease. A type of this virus known as severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS was a type of the life-threatening epidemic. The occurred another type of the virus known as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MRS). The mathematical explanation of infection disease is explained in great detail here.